Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Today is Friday, October 10th. We are preparing to move the vehicle from one location to another. That vehicle being the 2009 G37 Coupe that my Heavenly Father has granted me access to and being able to keep, especially like everything I've been through in accordance to like the vehicle and all. So with that being said, we're moving it from one location to another. I'm bringing you guys on the journey. Hope you guys enjoy. I pray I get amazing footage. For the most part, I was supposed to go earlier on in the day, but something that ended up happening with like the pin pad or the keypad. So with that being said, right now we're into 2:30 for the landlord of the garage to pick me up and bring me over there for he can unlock it and I could get things prepared for the tow man, which he comes at 4 p.m. For the most part, I ain't gotta do too much. I just gotta get a few things together. The most stuff is being moved when I take stuff from the storage and bring it to the garage. That being said, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be able to get some footage for the preparation. I am gonna try to record during the moment where the tow man, he gets the vehicle on the tow bed so you guys can see how that goes. From there on out, I would 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, as long as the camera goes well. 10 times out of 10, I'll be recording some footage in the new garage spot and showing you guys how I set everything up. Try to do as much as possible. For one, try to do, get everything, I guess, settled for today and hopefully go back Monday, because Monday I also got a day off for Columbus Day. Today I got a day off because they having a teachers convention at the school I work at, so use the time that's convenient and do what you gotta do. So that's what I plan on doing, our Heavenly Father willing. For now, that is it. I will get back to you guys later on when I'm at when I'm at the garage. 9 times 10, I'll try to update you guys before the tow man comes, and from there we're going to the new location and you'll be seeing that part. And yeah, so again, salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Peace and shalom. Okay, I think the lighting is better on this side. So now we are at the garage. The only issue is that currently the garage owner, he is not currently here at the moment. He said give him about like 3 more minutes, so we're gonna give it some time. I would like to show you guys around while I'm here, but ain't really too much to show you. But this is just how it looks. That's it. That's all I can really show you for real right now. Besides that, see you guys later. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. So, salutations, saints and sinners. We are back. We are now at the garage. I'd like to show you guys around. Get back to you guys once I get home. Oh, I'm gonna try to get a little snippet. It's not really good English. This is the better side, 30 side, 30 side. This is like how much space I got. which is great. Can't complain for I'm very grateful for this opportunity. I'm praying my Heavenly Father is able to allow me to keep it and sustain it and things of that nature. So I'll get back to you soon after I get back to work, get back from this garage. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Peace. Shalom. Here we go. The only issue is that I really don't feel like putting the camera in my face. I really don't, if I'm being honest. But we're gonna sort of do it if we like just angle it right. We could sort of make it happen. We could sort of make it happen in a way where, like, you know. But besides that, look at this. Pretty neat stuff. Pretty neat stuff. I know everybody probably looking at me right now, probably like, what the hell is dude on? Well, I have no idea. But it's just a quick update. I'm actually walking instead of getting a ride from the tow man, but it's alright. It is what it is. I ain't really bugging over it, so I ain't really walking with y'all the whole time. I'll keep y'all posted. Salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Fortunately, we are back with ending, like, I guess, closing to today's video and today of what basically happened and how things are now going. I'm a little bit chilly right now. That being said, thanks to our Heavenly Father, the G37 has been delivered to the new location. As you have seen in the previous clip before me walking home. Yeah, it's in the new location. Unfortunately, I have forgot my boy. He had was borrowing my jack, so as you've seen in the clip, I had to just keep it on the jack stands in the front and have it on the piece of wood, or basically on the ground for the most part, in the rear. And with that being said, I'm gonna attempt to either later on today, which I will try to bring you guys on, or Monday, I will get my jack and basically get things together on that. Besides that, that's really it for today. I was supposed to go to the Kennedy versus Bloomfield game, but things end up getting in the way. I do hope they win and all is well. That being said, you'll be seeing this tomorrow morning. That being said, salutations, saints and sinners all around yonder. Peace. Shalom.